to Lola?
Lola, sige kayo maatag ugaw o niya ama. Templamel ko niya ama. Sige kayo maatag na sanahan.
I love you, Lola.
Lola la.
Sunod. Berlin, come here. You're up. You're up. Next. Yun na. What's your message to Lola?
My wish is for Lola that she is so nice that she take care of me and Liam and Tian, forgiveness and care for us. And we also help her and clean everything.
Next.
Lian!
Where's Lian? Where's Lian?
Lian! Lian to ball! Lian to ball!
Ask Lian, Junilin.
Lian to ball!
Ask Lian. O, repeat sa English ni mo ni Lola. English ni Lola.
Kiss lang ko, kiss lang ko.
Thank you.
Thank kiss na lang. Thank kiss na lang. Thank kiss.
Thank you to Lola.
Pero na dito.
Tanaw sa camera.
Tanaw daw, tanaw. Thank kiss. Thank kiss.
Now, it's your turn, Lian. What's your message to Lola? Gina, what's your message to Lola? Wait lang. Pwede ka makita sa camera. Okay. What's your message to Lola?
I thank Lola for supporting our family and making it strong. We really thank her for everything and the sacrifices she did for us. Happy birthday, Lola.